Quantity takeoff is often seen as a junior work, but in reality, it is the backbone of every successful project. Every accurate BOQ, every cost plan, every claim or variation, all of it starts from correct quantities. If your takeoff is weak, your entire project foundation is weak. That is why, even as senior QS professionals, we need to stay close to the numbers because this is where real project understanding begins. There's a dangerous perception in our industry. The quantity takeoff is junior work, that it is repetitive, low value, something to just finish quickly. So, what happens? It gets rushed, delegated, and barely reviewed. But every small assumption made here silently carries forward into pricing, contracts, and execution. And by the time issues appear, no one traces it back to the takeoff. But the reality, poor takeoff doesn't just cause errors, it creates cost. Quantity takeoff is not just one step, it is the starting point of the entire commercial chain. It flows directly into the BOQ, and the BOQ ultimately defines the project outcome. So, if the quantities are wrong at the start, everything built on top of it is compromised. Cost plans become unreliable, pricing assumptions break down, and contracts lose clarity. Simple truth, if your takeoff is wrong, your project is already at risk. The BOQ is not just a document, it is the DNA of the entire project. It defines the scope, what's included and what's not. It sets the measurement rules, ensuring consistency and transparency. It drives pricing, enabling accurate bids and fair comparisons. And most importantly, it brings clarity to the contract. If the BOQ is strong, the project stands on solid ground. If it's weak, everything becomes open to interpretation, disputes, and risk. Variations don't start on site, they start at the takeoff stage. When quantities are unclear or incomplete, the BOQ creates room for interpretation, and that's where problems begin. You start seeing more variation orders, scope confusion between contractors, and increasing commercial pressure on the project team. And the impact is real. Projects with poor takeoffs can see up to 15 to 30% more variations. The fix is simple: invest time in accurate, complete quantity takeoff, because the cheapest mistake is the one you never create. Most people think disputes start on site, but they actually begin much earlier. They start in the BOQ when scope is unclear, when quantities are incomplete, or when the BOQ itself is poorly structured. That's when different parties start working with different assumptions. And that's where conflict is seeded. By the time it reaches site, it's already too late. That's why quantity takeoff is your first line of commercial defense. Get it right early and you prevent disputes before they even begin. Being senior doesn't mean stepping away from quantities, it means staying connected to them because this is where real commercial control comes from. As senior professionals, we need to review critical quantities, challenge assumptions, and ensure nothing is missed in the scope. We must understand how quantities are measured, not just approve them. Because once you sign off without understanding, you own the risk. The best QS leaders don't just manage the numbers, they understand them. Understanding quantities is not just technical, it is a real commercial advantage. It helps you make faster, better decisions under pressure. It reduces disputes because your BOQs are stronger from day one, and it gives you the confidence to defend or challenge claims with clarity. But beyond all this, it earns you respect. Because when you truly understand quantities, you're not just managing cost, you're controlling the project. If you want control over cost, you cannot lose touch with quantities. As you grow in your career, you don't need to measure everything, but you must understand everything being measured. Focus on the critical items, challenge the assumptions, and stay connected to the foundation of the project. Because your commercial judgment is only as strong as your understanding of quantities. At the end of the day, it is not tools or processes that define BOQ quality. It is the discipline you bring to the takeoff. To wrap up, a few key takeaways. Quantity takeoff is not a routine task, it is a strategic function. The BOQ is the DNA of your project. Every detail in it shapes cost, scope, and risk. Most disputes don't start on site, they start here, and they can be prevented with the right approach to quantity takeoff. And finally, as you grow senior, don't disconnect from quantities. Delegate the work, but never the understanding. Because strong projects don't start with pricing, they start with accurate quantities. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hope you found it to be useful. Please do subscribe to Quantity Serving Studio if you have not yet subscribed to it. Take care. Bye.